Hi guys, at my daughter's house again. She's got a problem with her fancy Christmas light projector thing. Well, as you can see, as I move it, it comes on and off. And I've already spotted what the problem is, I think. You're going to have to go in close-up mode, I think. Well, we can see it anyway. That's bare wires. It's shorting itself out. No wonder it's not working. I don't know if I can just undo that and stretch the wires. Probably have to take it home and resolder them. Well, this bit is unscrewing. Apparently. I think I need two hands. Yeah, we're going to have to take this home. I'm going to have to cut the wires, drill through there, because that's actually moulded onto the wires. That's crazy. Just doing it up would have twisted them. What a rubbish bit of design. Yep, I'm going to have to take it home, cut the wire, drill through, and push the wires through and reconnect them. And then probably seal it with hot glue or something. Right, we're back home. So the plan is to drill through that, push that wire through the hole and reconnect it inside. So it probably makes sense to have a look in here. So we can actually solder the other end of the wire. Oh, obviously I'll be fast forwarding this. Today is the 19th of December. Obviously my daughter wants this for Christmas. I've told her it'd probably take a couple of weeks to do it. Okay, so there's our cover with the rubber seal on it. That's the screw I could see through the cover. It's just holding this all together. There is a circuit board under there, so it looks like we've got to get in there to get to it. So I'm going to lift off. Put that on the floor so we don't drop it. Okay, things are a bit easier to see now. So these LEDs don't move. They just sit like that. And the movement is all done by this. Moving, spinning round. And now we've got that apart, we can get down to here. Okay. So that's the actual manual on-off switch. Crystal. I suppose we could zoom in a bit. We can actually unplug that. So that's our motor. a geared motor. That's our LED display. I'll see if I can get in there. Oh, I don't think there's any numbers on that chip. This is our power feed that, as I say, is actually molded onto that. So the only way I can replace the wires is to cut them off and drill a hole through it and then fill it with hot glue. I'll see if we can get a close-up on this. I think those M7s on the end there, they're just big diodes. And we've got that chip with nothing written on it. Some capacitors, some resistors, and some transistors, which might have something written on them. Oh, we can just about make that out. That's got some sort of rubberized solution in it. Okay, that's going to go through there. And like I said, I'll use hot glue. So that's obviously got to go through there. Leave myself plenty to work with. Okay. Right, here's our circuit board. Make sure we get it the right way round. Dotted white wire to that side, plain black to that side. So what we could do is plug it in and just have a look, see what happens. So motor, LEDs, on-off switch, plug the power supply in. Okay, that's a bit bright. Motor's running, and that's a bit bright. But that's all it's supposed to do. Well, I say that's all it's supposed to do. You've got one of these things. So we've got a timer on it, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hours. Motor on and off, flash on and off. Oh, motor plus, motor minus, so that's faster and slower, and flash faster and slower. So go on, got colours. And about colours, it's going lighter and darker. Flash. Okay. And motor faster and slower, which you can't really see. Oh gosh, let's get rid of that flash. How do I stop it? Let's turn it off. Off. Will it remember where it was set? Oh, it did. Right, flash is off. And timer. Okay, so it looks like it works. Turn it off again. Right, looks like it works. So, like I said, a bit of hot glue in there to seal that up again. That's the infrared detector for the remote. Bit of hot glue in there, then I'll put it all back together again and then we'll see what it actually does. That's the infrared detector. I worked out where it was. There was a little bit of black goo just there that it was originally stuck to and obviously came loose. So obviously I've used hot glue to hold it in place now. Right, before I put the globe back in place and put the cover on, I'll just give it a try. Right, sorry about that, but yeah, that looks like that works. So I'll put the globe back on and put the cover back on. All back together. I've actually got it set to stationary, but we'll have a look at it. Up here, that's the best I can do. So, start it moving. So this is supposed to look like snow. I don't know if it focuses any better at a greater distance. So we can speed it up. Color actually sort of changes the brightness. Flash. What does that do? I see it sort of, yeah. If we go the other way with flash, that's just sort of continuous then. Motor, slow it down, stationary. Moving a bit faster. So that's your snowstorm. You have that projected against the front of your house. So, fixed. Got to take it back to my daughter's now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.